In this video I will tell you how you can create a student fee management system like this in Excel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First open Excel. Go to new and blank notebook. Here you have to define what are the rows you want. So suppose I want to create a fee management system. So first I want is serial number, and then I want name, then I want father's name, here you double click and it will automatically take a space. So here I want address, I want contact, I want deposit fee, and here I want remaining fee, and then total fee. Let's make it a little big, every column. What? No, not this one. Let's make it a big, this one. Okay, little big. Okay. Make it also large. Let's select all the text and put it in the middle. Now it is looking good. Also I want a border, so I will say I will add border here. So go to option and here you can say all borders, and now you can see these here all the borders is here. Now here I want a serial number. Suppose I want 50 student list, so I will say 1 and I will say 2, and then I select 1 and 2 and just goes to below by clicking on this. If you want to increase it, just click here and drag down it, and it will automatically create 50 student. Now we will drag down till 50. Now 50 students have been added. Now I want total here, so I will say total and make it bold. Let's increase all size also. Okay, it looks good. Now let's create a name. Let's take a random name. Here I will input name, Alexa. Let's take random father's name. take random address. Let's take random contact. Let's copy this number in all. Now here I will add total fee. Let's say total fee of this course is 40,000, and here I will say deposit fee. So I will add deposit fee. Let's say the student has submitted 20,000, so here it should update the value that 20,000 is remaining. It will automatically update the value. So here I will add formula. Here for formula, click this column, this column, and then go to here, and I will say equal to, and then what I want is I want to subtract deposit fee from total fee. So I will say, here you can see it is the column I2, and here you can see it is the column G2. You can see here you will see I3, but here you will see I2, and here you will see G2. So what I want is I2 minus G2. So I will say I2 minus I2 minus G2, and it will automatically subtract. So let's click OK, and here you can see it is automatically at 20,000. And I want the same formula for copy it. Right now it is 0. Now I want 40. I will say that for total fee is 40,000, which is same for all students. So just copy it, and here if I will enter like the deposit fee, let's say the second student has submitted 25,000, it will automatically update this value when I will click enter. So let's click enter, and here you can see the value has been updated. Here you can say that 2,000, and it will the value will automatically updated. And here I will say, let's say I deposited 80,000, so it will update the value to 22,000. See, 22,000 has been updated, and here you can see it has payment full. It has done full payment. So let's click first, and it will automatically update the value to. Now what I want is I want the total fee here. So I want total fee for the column G, deposit fee, and for column H, and for column H I want the total fee for G, H, and I column. So I will add formula here. Let's add formula here. For G I will say, then it will add G2 to G51. You can see here, if I will click this column, you can see it is G51, and what I want is the sum from G2 to G51. I will add here formula equal G2. What I want is sum, so you have to write sum and enter. Okay, you can see sum. Let's write sum first. Then I want sum from G2 to G51, and then click enter, and it will calculate the sum. I want the same for H, so here I will say I want the sum from H2 to H51, and I want the same for I will say I2 to I51. What I want some, I forgot, and click enter. Now you can see if I will add any value, let's say I will say here, I am not given any name, but I want here 100 and the value will update it to 1,35,100. let's see, 1,35,100. that's how you can create a Excel sheet of student management system. With now save it, not here, we'll go to file and go to save as, then go to browse, now you can save it anywhere on your computer. Let's say I want to save it on desktop and I will name it student fee management. That's how you can create a fee management of a student. And here I will give you a bonus tip. So how you can use a fee management system online. You can not only see this data on a particular computer, you can see anywhere by using internet access. So let's open Chrome first. Type Google spreadsheet and click enter. Here you can see the first link, Google Sheets free online spreadsheets for personal use. Click on this link, go to Google Sheets, you can upload, you can create, and you can also see template girly, but I want my own Excel sheet. You can click here, open file picker, go to upload, and then you can click on this button, select a file from your device, and then I will import my Excel sheet from desktop. So I will go to desktop and then I will find my Excel sheet. Here you can see this Excel sheet, student fee management system, I have saved. Then I will open it. Now it will automatically open it, and here you can see it has become online now. Now you can access it from anywhere if you have an internet connection. That's how you can use Google Sheet online. You can also share this sheet with someone. So here this is option for sharing. Suppose you want to share with some person, here you can give his or her email address, and you can give permission that whether he can edit or he can comment or he can only view. So Dhanis will not be able to edit, but I want to give full permission, so I can also say edit, and then you will say send. You will be able to edit now. Shared with one person. Here you can see I have shared with option, shared with one person. You can also edit here, and you can add whatever you want. You can also copy this formula. I will say first right here, let's say I will write here 38,000 and 2,000 value will be automatically updated. If you will write here, let's copy 40,000 again, and here I will say one student has submitted 15,000. So here you can see 25,000 has been updated. If I will say 25,000, 15,000 has updated. That's how it works. Hope you get all the idea. That's how you can use online and you can use offline.